how to get free domain for website. So I'm having a link of this platform in the video description. Look down there, it's an affiliate link. Click on it and then to bring you right here, and come and put in your email address right here and click on start now. So when you click on it, you have to come and then create an account by signing up, and then it is simple. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have choose a password, come and then put in a strong password, and then confirm the password, and then simply come here and then click on the sign up. You can also do this same thing by simply using your Google account or your Facebook account. So after creating an account, they are going to ask you who you are creating the website for. Okay, simply come down here and then select for myself, my business, or a friend, and then simply come here and then click on continue. So we are simply going to go straight to it. Instead of going to start with chat, simply come and then select setup without chat. Okay, then over here they are going to ask you the type of website. Okay, you can come and then choose any of these, but I'm simply going to go straight to the point and then teach you how to get the domain by simply coming here to where we have skip, and then I click on skip. Okay, so that I go straight to the point. So they are going to ask you the name of the website. Simply come and then choose the name of the website and then come and write it right here. Simply going to call my blogging tools free domain. Okay, then come here and then come and click on continue. So after that, over here you have to come and then select the main purpose of the website, but I'm simply going to skip all that. So I'm simply going to go to skip. Okay, I just want to show you how to get the free domain, and then you have to come and then choose any of these apps, but I'm simply going to skip it by simply coming here and then come and click on the skip. So I show you exactly how to get a free domain. Okay, and then come and click on continue to dashboard. So over here, as you can see, we are within our dashboard. Simply come here to where we have design your website and come and click on it. So you can design the website by either any of these two ways. Okay, so first you can go with the AI by simply clicking on generate a new design, or you can simply come in and select a template. Okay, so I'm simply going to pick a template by clicking on pick a template so that it will be faster. Okay, and I'm simply going to select any of these templates. So I'm going to go with this template. So simply come and then click on the view. Okay, so when you click on it over here, simply come to the top right hand corner and then come and click on edit template. Okay, and then over here you can enhance it by simply writing something, but I'm simply going to close it. Okay, just going straight to the point, showing you how to get the free domain, and then at the top right hand corner come and click on the publish. Okay, so over here, as you can see, congratulations, and then the site has been published on the free domain name. So as you can see, this is the free domain name. Now all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on complete setup. Okay, and then over here, as you can see, we are using the free plan and the website has been published on the free domain name. Simply come here to where we have the three dots and come and click on it, and come here to view live site. Okay, so after clicking on view live site, over here you see that your website is live and it is published on a free domain name. So this is the domain. Okay, so it was designed using your email address and then the website name. So I'm going to show you how to change this in a very nice way. Okay, so what you have to do is simply come here and then come and select the website editor mode, and then come here to complete setup again, and then from the top right hand corner you are going to see your profile icon. Come and then click on the down arrow and then come here to the account setting. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come here to the site URL preference. Okay, so you see that they use your email address. Simply come and then click on it, and then over here you can come and then change the email address. Okay, and then come and then put in the one that you prefer. So I'm going to put in blogging tools tips, and then this is how it's going to look like. So blogging tips. Okay, and then simply come here to where we have the save and come and click on it. So mine, they are saying that it is taken already, so I'm simply going to remove the tips and then simply put in plus. Okay, hope that nobody has taken it, and then click on save. So this one nobody has taken it. Okay, so I can use it. Okay, good. After that, simply come here to all sites, click on the down arrow and come and select your website. Okay, so the blogging tools, free domain, I'm going to select it, and then simply come here to the three dots again, okay, and then come and click on it. So simply come here to rename site, click on it, and then over here, this is the site name, okay, leave it like that, leave the site name like that, but you are going to change the domain name, okay. So when you come here, you see that site address, this is your site free domain. So as you can see, this is your site free domain. So this is the site free domain. We can then come and then change this, okay. So instead of the name of the website, simply clear it and then add something nice. So I'm going to use blog, okay, and then after that, simply come and then click on the save. So now we can simply go and then click on the three dots again, and then come and then click on view live site, and let's go and then check our website domain. So as you can see, now this is a very cute and then nice domain for our website, and it's totally free. So like the video and then see you in my next video.